Have you ever wondered about the different varieties of succulents? Welcome to Succulent Paradise, your go-to place for all things succulent. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the diverse world of these captivating plants. From their intriguing forms to their incredible resilience, succulents are truly a marvel of Mother Nature. Our guide on this adventure is none other than our resident plant whisperer, who has a knack for uncovering the unique charm of each succulent variety. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a budding plant enthusiast, there's always something new to discover in the world of succulents. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Today, we're exploring a myriad of succulent varieties that will elevate your gardening game and transform your space into a lush, green paradise. So are you ready to uncover the secrets of these botanical beauties? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a succulent showcase. Our first star is none other than the Echeveria Lola. Resembling a delicate rose, its compact rosette shape is a treat to the eyes. Each leaf is a canvas, boasting a soft lavender hue that glows beautifully under the sunlight. This charming succulent is perfect for those who appreciate the subtler things in life. Moving on, we have the Sedum Jellybean. This little gem is as playful as its name suggests. Its rounded leaves, reminiscent of jelly beans, are a vibrant mix of green and red. It's a bright burst of color that will surely liven up any space. The Sedum Jellybean is a testament to the fact that succulents can be fun and full of personality. Last, but certainly not least, we have the aloe vera. This succulent is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a plant with purpose. Known for its medicinal properties, the aloe vera's long, pointed leaves contain a soothing gel that can be used for various skin ailments. Its unique architectural form and striking green color make it a standout in any succulent collection. Each of these succulents brings its unique charm and benefits to your garden or indoor space. The Echeveria Lola's subtle elegance, the Sedum Jellybean's vibrant energy, and the aloe vera's practical beauty are all testament to the diverse world of succulents. Remember, the beauty of succulents lies not just in their visual appeal but also in their resilience and adaptability. They bring life and color to our spaces, all while asking for very little in return. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's a succulent out there that's perfect for you. That's all for our succulent showcase. I hope you've enjoyed meeting these three unique varieties as much as I have. Each of these succulents brings its unique charm and benefits to your garden or indoor space. Until next time, here's to the joy of succulents. Now let's get our hands dirty with a fun DIY succulent arrangement. This is where your creative flair comes into play, as each arrangement is a unique expression of your personal style. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist design or a lush, vibrant tableau, the principles remain the same. Firstly, you'll want to choose a variety of succulents that catch your eye. Look for an assortment of shapes, sizes, and colors that complement each other. The beauty of succulents lies in their diversity, so don't be afraid to mix and match. Consider including a tall architectural variety like the aloe vera for height, a rosette-shaped echeveria for texture, and perhaps a dash of color with the Sedum Jellybean. Next, select a shallow container that will allow your succulent's roots to spread out. Remember, succulents prefer well-draining soil, so choose a container with drainage holes. Fill your chosen container with a succulent or cactus mix, which you can easily find at your local garden center. Now comes the fun part, arranging your succulents. Start with your tallest variety, positioning it towards the back or center of the container. Then, add in your medium-sized succulents, spacing them out evenly. Fill in any gaps with your smallest succulents, ensuring each plant has room to breathe. As you arrange, play around with the placement until you're happy with the look. The key here is balance, creating a harmonious blend of shapes, colors, and heights. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about what appeals to you. Once you're satisfied with your arrangement, finish off with a top dressing of decorative stones or gravel. This not only adds an extra touch of elegance, but also helps to keep the soil in place when watering. With a little creativity and patience, you can create a stunning succulent arrangement that reflects your personal style. And the best part, you've created a living piece of art that will continue to grow and evolve over time. Now, isn't that a rewarding thought? Of course, no succulent journey would be complete without some essential care tips. These plants are champions of survival, thriving in some of the world's harshest conditions. But to ensure they flourish under our care, there are a few things we need to keep in mind. Firstly, let's talk about light. Succulents love bright but indirect sunlight. Placing them near a sunny window is ideal, but be careful not to expose them to harsh, direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can cause their leaves to scorch. Now, on to watering. Succulents are masters at storing water in their leaves, stems, and roots, which allows them to go long periods without a drink. So, when it comes to watering, less is more. Wait until the soil is completely dry before watering again, and when you do water, do it thoroughly, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Here's a tip. If the leaves are starting to shrivel slightly, it's a sign your succulent is thirsty. But if the leaves are yellow and mushy, you may be overwatering. Remember, succulents are more likely to survive underwatering than overwatering. Soggy soil can lead to root rot, a succulent's worst enemy. Lastly, succulents prefer well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. A mix of potting soil and coarse sand works wonders. With these care tips in mind, your succulents will thrive and brighten up your space. And remember, the best teacher is experience, so don't be afraid to learn as you grow. Well, succulent lovers, that's a wrap on today's adventure in succulent paradise. We've journeyed through the vibrant world of succulents, discovered unique varieties, crafted our own arrangement, and even learned some crucial care tips. Now, it's your turn to bring the magic of succulents into your space. Experiment, create, and most importantly, enjoy the process. I hope you've been inspired to add some of these unique varieties to your own garden. Until next time, happy gardening.